Hello everyone, welcome to Perfect Electrical Solution. Today we are going to conduct an experiment to measure stability of person using plantar pressure distribution mat. For this experiment, first we need a software named ISRA Pro in our PC for performing the software data, and we need a plantar pressure mat. We having a two types of plantar pressure mat 3000 and plantar pressure mat 9000. We are using a plantar pressure mat 9000. Why we are calling it plantar pressure mat 9000? Because in this plantar pressure mat having a 9000 FlexiForce sensor. Now I'm click on the software ISRA Pro, which was installed in my PC, and this is the home screen has been open. Enter your username and password for start this experiment, which was given by the manufacturer when we purchased plantar pressure mat. After clicking on enter tab, your home screen has been opened like this. After that, we go to the patient, and then go to the new patient, and all the column are shown in the display has been mandatory for fill. Enter the name, last name, gender, date of birth, email ID, contact and occupation. Then click on checkbox and then click on the registered. After confirming yes, the patient detail has been added, and the top of the list you can see your patient name, date, and the ID has been generated. Then click on the patient name which was latest we added, and then you can see here we having a three option. So click on STEPP test. After that, here your next home screen has been open. Then go to the assessment. If patient having a any type of the past history from the given option, then click on it, like diabetes, cancer, HIV and others, and then click on save button. And next to your personal history we need to add weight, height, and BMI is automatically calculated when we added weight and height. Next we need to select the sitting position, hours per day, and after that next is your physical activity per week as per done by the subject, and then click on the save button. Confirm yes, and next we are go to the mat setup. So before clicking on mat setup we need to insert USB port of the mat to the desktop PC, and select the both checkbox and click on done. Now your PC start interfacing with the mat. Now your initial contact has been set up, shown, and your plantar pressure name has been displayed in your software. Click on done. After clicking on done, we move to the next screen. So here you can see we having a multiple option for performing a different types of experiment, like bipedal stance test, foot pressure test, stability test, dynamic test. And today we are going to perform stability test. That's why I am clicking on this stability test on the display, and here you can see the demo data or example data has been shown in your display. We need to perform this test in two phases. One is your eyes open, and second one is your eyes closed. First time click on eyes open. Then your screen shows how our subject need to put his or her feet on the plantar pressure mat and how much distance need to maintain between the feet as shown in the video data, and told to the subject look forward and straighten the head and expand both hands as shown in the sample data video. After the all instructions are given and subject must be standing like the example data, then we need to click on the start button. After looking straight, we instruct our subject to keep your eyes open and then click on the start. So now here is your timer has been start for 20 seconds. Our subject need to stand like this shown in your video, your left hand side for a 20 second in stable position. After the time over, you can see the data of eye open stability test has been shown in your desktop. Here you can see we accept this data. If we want to retry or want to again capture the data, then we click on retry. Now we are done with the eyes open. Now we move to the eyes close. For this we click on eyes close. So here is the next video example data for eyes closed stability test. In this test, our subject need to be standing same as we stand in open eyes, but only in this is different. We instruct our subject to close his eyes during the test. Now on your screen your stability test has been started. The timer shows 20-second data. It's record the data of stability for 20 seconds. Now timer has been stopped and your data has been captured for eyes closed. Here you can see the plot of plantar pressure mat, and then we click on accept and then end test. Now we come back to our gateway page, then we click on evaluation. Here we can see the both side eyes open and eyes closed data with stability, and these are the result. If we want to give any remarks, then we click on remarks and type here, then go back, go to dashboard and then click on report generate. Here your report has been generated, you can see, and then click on save and then click on generate as PDF. Your PDF now has been generated and directly saved to your download file. You can see your report in PDF in download. Thank you.